Top of the morning, crypto investors. Hope everyone had a good Independence Day, barbecue, fireworks, family, and or friends. Quote of the week: you miss 100% of the shots you never take. Wayne Gretzky. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Rex 2.0. Now, supposedly they had a Rex version 1 and they had to go back and fix the contract, etc., hence 2.0. Now, I'm not going to read all about this smart contract because I don't believe in long videos, and there's a lot in the white paper. There's a lot in that white paper to read, and if you want to know all about Rex, read the white paper or go to the fact. Okay, so here's the white paper and all this. This thing is long. Anyway, I'm not going to read that, and this is the fact. You can go and click on whatever questions you may already have that someone already asked, and they put on this fact part of the website. You can go there and click on that. But I will say that Rex is a decentralized blockchain cryptocurrency utility smart contract used to provide highly rewarding and flexible time-based investments, bonding, financial tools. Specifically, Rex smart contracts provide a native investment option called staking, locking up tokens for a period of time to gain rewards called staking rewards. This is comparable to a time deposit or certificate of deposit CD in traditional finance, but with more flexibility and greater possible gains. Rex may also be thought of as an internet bond. In crypto speech, Rex is a staking token. So participants buy Rex and they stake it over time to earn more Rex. The additional Rex earned by stakers comes from new Rex that is minted each day, causing the Rex supply to increase or inflate over time. The Rex token supply inflates by 2.9% per year. This inflation is created by the contract and distributed to the stakers. Now you can get Rex from providing liquidity by taking part in the Rex daily auctions, by buying it from PancakeSwap in the Rex BUSD LP pair, or claiming it as an airdrop as a participant of the predecessor protocol Rex Classic, which I was talking about that before, Rex version 1. So I'll put my referral link in the description, because if you use the referral link, if you use my referral link, you will get 10% extra tokens for having a referral link. You're welcome. So on the dashboard, it shows you all the particulars. It shows you the liquid Rex. It shows you the stake Rex. It shows you your MREX, which is a booster token, and it shows you how much BUSD you have in your wallet. They also have info here, down here, for a T-Rex token, and that T-Rex token, if I'm not mistaken, gives you 25% more tokens for holding one T-Rex booster token. Liquidity info is also showed, and also at the bottom of the page here, they have all the tokens, the Rex, T-Rex, MREX, BUSD, the pair, the auctions, airdrops, all these addresses. They already have them pre-populated for you. All you have to do is go over here and click add to MetaMask on the tokens, and it will add it to your MetaMask wallet, which I've already done. There are several other links on this page here that you can explore. One of them is the auctions, and you can just click on auctions, and it's a 24-hour timer on the auctions, and they end at 1 p.m. each day. So, I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what any YouTuber says. I don't care what anybody tells you. This is 100% legit so far. So, ask me how I know. Whoever put this platform together, they are a genius. Anyway, how I know this site is legit is because they have what's called BPDs, or big paydays, in which the platform pays you back all the BUSD you have invested at any given day, and you can win it multiple times as well. So you ask me how I know, it's because when I got onto the site today, I actually won the big payday, and I got 438 BUSD back. Now, you might say that that's not very much, but considering I only put in 65 BUSD and I went and got back, you don't believe me? Look, here's my wallet. I open it up, and there's the BUSD right there that I claimed from my big payday. So it is legit. It is legit, and I got back way more than I invested. And this is just, 11 days into it? 11 days, 11 days in, and I've already 7x my money. I've already 7x my investment. So, you know, hey, it's 100% legit to me. You know, you can buy this Rex. You can go ahead and you can stake your BUSD right here in the platform. Take part in today's auction. You can put your BUSD in and click send BUSD, and it will go ahead and submit you in to the auction. I've done it once on this account. On this account, I've already done it once, and I've done it once or twice on another account. I'll talk about that later. But, you know, by buying Rex, you can participate in what's called the big BPDs, or the big paydays. And you'll know because this green box will be checked over here. It'll be a green box with a check mark in it, telling you that you're eligible for big paydays. And that's what you want, at least on one account. I'm not going to go into strategy yet, but I just wanted to introduce this Rex to you guys. So hey, the workaround for that, if you go in and you don't claim, if you claim your Rex as liquid Rex, you won't be eligible for the big paydays. Just to clear that up and make sure everybody knows that to be eligible for big paydays, you have to claim your Rex as a stake. You have to claim your Rex as a stake. So hey, the only workaround for that, if you don't claim it as a stake and you want to claim it as liquid Rex, you won't be eligible for the big paydays if you claim it for liquid Rex. So the only workaround for that is to create additional wallets, which I won't talk about that. That's talk for strategy for an upcoming video. So that's Rex in a brief nutshell. Click on my referral link to get that 10% bonus on all your tokens. And you could find yourself winning a big payday soon as well. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to receive all future content from my channel. I was gonna say Rex channel, from my channel. And as soon as that video drops, you will be notified. Peace.